In this video, it's going to be about you. What can I do for you, my audience, to help catapult you in the SMMA world, in the agency world, and helping businesses get more leads and clients? And I kind of have an inkling of what it is that I could do on my YouTube channel outside of the normal things that I do, but I wanted to kind of turn a different page in this video and then for the next couple of videos that I do. And so if you're looking for a fast way to not only be able to find clients, but be able to set them up fast, get the 2-page sites that I always talk about, get the automations done, and just kind of have everything done for you, then this video, you should pay attention. Now, before I go into this and exactly what this is going to entail, I want to kind of give you a little hint of my upcoming videos. I don't really see many people do this, so I thought this would kind of be a change to the YouTube world. So here's what I plan on releasing over the next couple of weeks. Number one, I have to redo a complete GoHighLevel A to Z training. I'm going to do it on my YouTube channel for 2024. So many things have changed within GoHighLevel that I want to redo it. And I plan to redo a walkthrough every single year. Number two, and I've been like really going back and forth in my head about this, but I'm actually going to do a video on how much money I made in 2023 via YouTube. Now, why would I do this, right? I'll give you about 15 seconds of why this is important. I've been in this online game for many years at this point, and YouTube was always something that I wanted to do. And I kicked the can down the road, and then I kicked it again and again and again for 6 years. In December of 2022, I literally told myself, if you do not consistently put your knowledge on the internet, you are doing a disservice to people. And everything that I teach people in my coaching program about being consistent, about doing the things that, are hard to do, about how when you think about doing something, just do it when you think about it. And so YouTube has been a very big crutch in my life. It's something I've thought about for too many years. And finally, I would say forced myself. And I think there's a big lesson in here. And the payoff is absolutely enormous. And so I want to share that with you guys. It's going to make me uncomfortable, but I'll share what I made from YouTube in 2023. I also want to release a brand new pay-per-click training. I want to release a brand new Facebook ads training. I'm also going to interview 2 students that just recently, like in the last week or two, did a post about some results that they've gotten in their agency. This was one of our students who took a company who was barely making money, barely above water, just surviving, to $1.7 million in sales in 60 days on $40,000 of ad spend. And I'm also going to interview Armando, who literally just got into this business and signed 2 clients in 3 days after a week of joining our coaching program. Now, this is not a pitch at all to anything that I have to do with coaching, but these are the people that I'm surrounded with. And I think that it's important that everybody kind of gets that motivation and that sense of like, wow, if these guys can do it, maybe I can. And I always release case studies here on my channel every so often when I have time to actually do the interview, because ultimately I could do hundreds. Now, let me just say, just because these students have had success in this business doesn't mean that you will, right? Let me be very clear about how, the law and what I'm allowed to say. Their success has nothing to do with you. You're not guaranteed anything, and so on and so forth, okay? I just want to show you, for educational purposes only, what is possible in this business, okay? So I'll be interviewing those guys. But in this video, I'm going to actually ask you guys to comment down below if I was able to give you a snapshot in GoHighLevel with a specific niche that comes with a 2-page site, landing page, thank you page. It comes with the automation behind it, the auto follow-ups, a calendar, and everything that you need to literally just deploy, connect the domain, get a phone number, and run whatever service you want to run. What niche would you want? Now, if you look down in the description, I am going to list the niches that you can choose. Many of you know we already have 32 done for you niches. We go from our tier 1 campaigns, which is like towing little smaller businesses, to larger high net worth businesses like PI attorneys, dental implants, things like that. So I will list the niches down in my description. And all I ask you to do is just comment. What do you want me to train on for my next video? And I will do a training and I will give away that snapshot in my free resources section. Also, if you're new to my channel, I'm giving away a ton of stuff in my free resources section. And the last thing I'll say is that there's been a lot of changes in my school community and my future agencies. So if you're watching this and you're unaware, you should go into the future agencies school group and go just make sure that you look around there and understand what's changing. And anybody that is new, I highly suggest you go and click the link that's down below as well. I wanted to get this video out as fast as I possibly could because I'd like to get this training up as soon as possible. The only way to do that is for you guys to comment down below and tell me what niche that is listed down in the description that you would want me to do. I will take a vote. I will count up all the comments and I will do that niche that people want. Now, keep in mind one thing. I understand that everybody's going to want the high paying niches. Let's be realistic here. Think of where you are in your knowledge base of how to run this business. What services can you provide? What can you do for a potential client? And understand that as you move up the tiers, it will be harder to land those clients. So, like we always say, if you're new, you're going to want to go with one of the tier 1 campaigns. If you've been doing this for a few months and you can run services and you have a client or two, you may want to vote for tier 2. And if you've been doing this for at least 6 months and you've made let's just say you've had 5 to 7 clients at one time, then vote for a tier 3. And let's see which niche that I'm going to do either on my next video or the video after. I had to get this out so quickly that I didn't even get my thumbnail made. So I had to make it in Canva, but I'll replace it with a good one. So I appreciate your time. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, and then comment with your vote down below. Now, the winner on my last video for $200 is the Utah Diver. If you're listening to this, then make sure you DM me wherever you can. You find me, and I'll send you $200 on PayPal or whatever way I can send it. I appreciate your time, guys. Thanks a lot, and thanks for your help. It means a lot. Talk to you soon, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.